In the beginning, the name of Allah, you are most well, and I am also very well. You have already known to online class organized by the government. Today I am going to teach you about degree. What is degree? Degree is the comparison of adjective. To cite an example, Mr. Kamal is older than Belal. You follow the sentence. After that you can understand here old is one kind of adjective. This word compare between Mr. Kamal and Belal. You will realize that the another example like he is the wisest person in the village. Wisest, one kind of adjective. This word compare with many person. After giving two example, you can understand that what is degree. I can say again, degree is the comparison of adjective. After discussing the definition of degree, I am discussing the classification of degree. Degree, three kinds. Number one, positive degree. Number two, comparative degree. Number three, superlative degree. You follow them and look at the blackboard carefully and attentively. Positive degree is a one kind of degree. The degree has no comparison. Comparative degree is a kind of degree that's compared between two person or two things. Number three, superlative degree. This degree comparative to more things or person. To give some example, after that you can understand what is positive degree, what is comparative degree, what is superlative degree. I give some example. He is an honest man. Honest, one kind of adjective by one kind of word. This word has no comparison. So this is an example of positive degree. You are greater than Salma. After following the second sentence, you can understand that greater, one kind of adjective. This word compare between you and Salma. This is the example of comparative degree. Number 3, the boy is one of the tallest student. After following this example, you can understand that this word compared many students. Now you can understand this is the example of superlative degree. After finishing the classification of degree, now I am giving you the formation of degree, or how to formate the degree. I am writing on the board formation of degree. If the word is one syllable, at the last of the word er and est to make a comparative and superlative. To cite two example, you can understand this very well. I am writing this and you must follow this. Small, smaller, smallest, old, older, oldest, new, newer, newest. You must follow 3 examples and look at the blackboard. 3 words, the example of positive degree. 3 words, the example of comparative degree. 3 words, the example of superlative degree. After that, you must realize this: if the word is one syllable, at the last of the word er to make a comparative, est to make a superlative. Besides, in many ways, the format of degree if the word or the adjective is 2 or more syllable, then before the adjective more to make a comparative, before most to make a superlative. To cite two example, after that you can understand very well. You follow them and look at the blackboard attentively, please. Honest, more honest, most honest, beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, two adjectives are called positive degree. Two words comparative degree. Two words superlative degree. If the word is two or more syllable before the adjective more to make a comparative degree. Before the adjective most to make a superlative degree. Before the word to make a superlative degree. After discussing the formation of the degree, you realize that how to format of degree. After discussing formatting the degree, we discuss how to change one degree to others. I shall follow a chart and you should look at the blackboard and realize how to change from one degree to others. How to change from one degree to others. On the blackboard, I show you a chart. After following the chart, you can understand how to change from one degree to other. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. You follow the chart and write down on the page. No other. Than any other or than all other. The very few than most other or than few other. One of the. Positive as dot dot as than. My dear student, you follow the chart. No other, very few, as dot dot as. 3 words help you how to identify positive degree. Than any other, than all other, than most other, than few other, only than. This word help you how to identify comparative degree. The, one of the. 2 words how to identify superlative degree. Now I am discussing how to change from one degree to others. No other, this word always follows the than any other or than all other. No other always follow the, never one of the. This very few, this word always follow than most other or than few other and one of the. And as dot dot as, these words always follow than, never superlative. You should follow the blackboard and write down. After writing down, you can understand very well how to change from one degree to others. To give some example, you can understand how to change from one degree to others. To cite an example, positive to superlative. Positive to superlative. Superlative. No other, man is as old as Rana. This sentence, the example of positive degree. If the positive degree to change the superlative degree, at first the last word of the sentence, see it before the sentence. Rana. The verb of this sentence is, before you should follow the chart, the superlative form of oldest man. You follow the example and you can understand to change positive from positive to superlative. To cite another example, then you can understand very well. Very few boys are as tall as he. This is the example of positive degree. How to change the superlative degree? To change the superlative degree, the last word at the beginning of the sentence, he, the verb of the are, but with changing the subject, the verb should be changed. Is one of the superlative from tallest boys. To give two example, you must realize how to change from positive degree to superlative. In the next class, I shall discuss about this elaborately. In the last, you must be well and stay at home very nicely, very well. You should and take care of your health. Thank you very much.